Mobile applications are in high demand, especially with the rapidly changing tech industry. Businesses and developers constantly seek efficient methods to create applications that run across multiple platforms with minimal development effort. Kotlin Multiplatform is a versatile and powerful technology that has revolutionized how developers build cross-platform apps. Creating apps for multiple platforms, such as iOS and Android, traditionally required separate code bases written in different programming languages. This was an expensive and time-consuming process. Cross-platform frameworks like Xamarin, React Native, and Flutter emerged to address these challenges. However, they often come with limitations due to platform-specific elements or performance bottlenecks. Kotlin Multiplatform, developed by JetBrains, allows developers to write shared Kotlin code that can be compiled across multiple platforms. This shared code can include business logic, data modeling, and networking components. Platform-specific elements, such as user interfaces or APIs, can be designed separately for each platform. This approach offers a balance between code reuse and customization for each platform. Kotlin Multiplatform comprises several key elements. First, the shared Kotlin code provides a platform-agnostic environment for writing application logic. Second, platform-specific modules interact with APIs on specific platforms, using languages like Kotlin, Swift, or Java. Lastly, Gradle integration simplifies managing build configurations and dependencies across different platforms, making the development process more efficient. Kotlin Multiplatform offers numerous benefits. Reusability allows developers to reuse much of their code across platforms, reducing development time and costs. Performance is optimized for each platform, ensuring apps perform at their best. Maintainability is simplified with a single codebase, leading to quicker bug fixes and feature deployment. Compatibility with existing Kotlin frameworks and libraries ensures seamless support across ecosystems. Kotlin Multiplatform can accommodate various applications. Business and productivity apps benefit from shared code while maintaining a native look and feel. Social networking apps rely on real-time updates and interactions, making shared code essential. Retail e-commerce apps manage product catalogs, payments, and user authentication with a single code base. Educational apps deliver content, track users, and implement quiz logic consistently across devices. While Kotlin Multiplatform offers many advantages, it also presents challenges. New developers may face a steep learning curve. Implementing platform-specific modules can be complex. Not all third-party libraries support all platforms, requiring careful selection. Tooling, although improving, still lags behind platform-specific options. To get started with Kotlin Multiplatform, first install Kotlin on your machine. Next, set up your development environment with tools like Android Studio for Android and Xcode for iOS. Gradle plugins simplify creating Kotlin Multiplatform projects. Begin by writing shared code for business logic, data structures, and networking features. Develop platform-specific modules for user interfaces and integration. Customize Gradle configurations to specify target platforms and dependencies. Thoroughly test and debug your application on all target platforms before distribution. Kotlin Multiplatform technology continues to advance, with contributions from JetBrains, the Kotlin community, and developers worldwide. Future developments include better tools, enhanced compatibility with third-party libraries, and support for more platforms. As the ecosystem matures, Kotlin Multiplatform will become an essential technology for cross-platform development, offering versatility and advantages across various industries.